Hey guys, Gary back with another review for you today. Guys, this is what I call the Cadillac of vlogging kits. Okay, guys, you can take this thing anywhere, uh, in your hotel room, set it up on a table if you're sitting at a park, just anywhere and start vlogging. Okay, this is the SmallRig Universal Phone Video Rig Kit for iPhone or any smartphone and cameras. Okay, you've got your phone stabilizer here, your phone stabilizer. You've got your tripod, okay, all adjustable. Okay, you've got your microphone that comes with it. This is the fuzzy thing that comes with the microphone also. You've got your LED light over here. And you've got your side handles to keep your video steady if you're going to take it off of the tripod. Okay, and you've got your power bank holder here. Okay, if you need some more juice for your device. Okay, and guys, I'm telling you, and also let me turn this around real quick here so you can see this. You've got your cold shoes here, cold shoe attachments right here and right here. Okay. All right. These are to hold your wires down. I think you can pick these up somewhere, but they don't come with your device. But anyway, guys, if you're a serious vlogger, you need to get this.
Okay, media will play louder.
That's my Siri, guys. But anyway, this is, like I said, this is a Cadillac for vloggers. Okay, guys, this is a SmallRig Universal Phone Video Rig Kit for vloggers. You've got to have this if you're going to be vlogging or whatever you're going to be doing, taking videos. Very nice device to have, guys. Very, very nice. That is your review for today. Make it a great day.